Hello students, welcome to all who are watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the three-dimensional coordinates MZ problem, and this is the first video. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MZ examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the sums, okay. And in the description, I am giving the practice sums of the three-dimensional geometry. So after watching the video, all of you once open the description and see the PDF and solve those questions also. Those are also very important. Okay, within 4 or 5 days I will complete this entire three-dimensional geometry. After that I will start the maths 2A paper. Okay, so all of you follow the videos. Let us start the class. So this is three-dimensional coordinates level 2 first question, sum number 23. The circumradius of the triangle formed by the points 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 1 and minus 3, 1, 2. So, the circumradius of the triangle formed by these points. So, here 3 points are given which are A, B, C. Now, these are the vertices of a triangle ABC here. Now, what is the given question? Circumradius. What is circumcircle? This is the circumcircle which passes through the 3 vertices of a triangle. So, this is the circumcircle. The circumcenter, this is circumcircle. This is circumcenter, and SCA is the circumradius, the distance from circumcenter to any of the 3 vertices. Here all the 3 distances are equal. SCA is equal to SP is equal to SC. Now, we want this value. Okay. So before finding the circumradius, first of all, I am finding the distances AB, BC, CA. Okay, what is AB distance? 1 minus 2 whole square, that is 1. 2 minus 3 whole square, 5 square, that is 25. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square, that is 16. Okay, so this value is equals to 42. Now BC is equals to, BC distance, again this is equals to 2 plus 3 whole square, that is 25. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square, that is 16. 1 minus 2 whole square, that is 1. This is also equals to 42. Now what is CA value? This is equals to distance between C and A. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square, 16 plus 1 minus 2 whole square, minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square, 25. This is also equals to 42. Therefore, all the 3 distances are equal, means this is the equilateral triangle. And in the equilateral triangle, all points are same. That is, circumcenter is equal to centroid is equals to orthocenter. Okay, here the circumcenter is nothing but the centroid. Okay, what is centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, that is 3 minus 3, 0. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Circumcenter is equals to here 0, 0, 0. Now what is circumradius? R is equals to AS, distance between vertex to the circumcenter. That is square root of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 0 whole square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to root 14. Therefore, circumradius is equal to root 14, and that is the first option. Just simply to find the circumradius, first of all, we have to check whether it is an equilateral triangle or not. For that purpose, we are finding the distances. Okay. So, here the distances are, all distances are equal. So, here circumcenter is equal to, orthocenter is equal to centroid. That is, to find the circumcenter, it is enough to take the centroid. Okay. Now, what is the given question? Circumradius. What is circumradius from the diagram? AS. Now, finding the distance, then we will get the answer. That's all. This is the procedure. Next question, sum number 24. The distance between the circumcenter and orthocenter of the triangle formed by the points 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 0, 4. Okay. The distance between the circumcenter and orthocenter of the triangle. So here also first I take that the 3 points is equals to ABC, and I find the distances. What is AB distance? Square root of 2 minus 3 whole square, 1. 1 minus 2 whole square, 1. 5 minus 3 whole square, 4. That is AB is equal to root 6. What is BC distance? Square root of 3 minus 4 whole square, 1. 2 minus 0 whole square, 4. 3 minus 4 whole square, 1. That is equal to root 6. And what is CA distance? Square root of 2 minus 4 whole square 4, 1 minus 0 whole square 1, 5 minus 4 whole square 1, that is equal to root 6. So all distances are equal, means this is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means circumcenter is equal to orthocenter is equal to centroid. Now what is the given question? What is the distance between the circumcenter and orthocenter? The 2 points are equal, means we get the distance is equal to 0. Since the 2 points are equal, that is distance is equal to 0. There is no distance between them. Distance is equal to 0, and that is the fourth option. That's all. Next question, sum number 25. The shortest distance of ABC from the x-axis. Okay. So here these are the coordinates, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. One point is given. Point is equals to P, A, B, C. What is the given question? The shortest distance from the point to the x-axis. Here the shortest distance is nothing but the perpendicular distance. Okay. Suppose this point is equals to A. P is the perpendicular. PA is the perpendicular from P to the x-axis. Here A is the point. Here is the point foot of the perpendicular. Now what is this distance? That is the given question. Shortest distance, that is the perpendicular distance. When we draw the perpendicular from P to the x-axis, then what are the coordinates of A here? This is A comma 0 comma 0. Already here we have the point ABC. So what are the coordinates of A? A comma 0 comma 0. Now what is the shortest distance? Is equals to PA. Now simply finding this distance. A minus A whole square is equal to 0. B minus 0 whole square is equal to B square. C minus 0 whole square is equal to C square. Therefore the answer is equal to square root of B square plus C square, and that is the second option. That's all. Next question. In order to eliminate the first degree terms in the equation 2x square minus 2y square plus z square minus 4x plus 8y plus 2z minus 5 is equals to 0, the origin should be shifted to the point. Very easy question. In order to eliminate the first degree terms from this equation, the origin should be changed to. That is, so first we take that simply equations fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0, fz is equal to 0, and finding the x, y, z values. That's all. Very easy. What is fx? Partial differentiation with respect to x. That is 2x square derivative 4x. This is 0, this is 0, 4x derivative minus 4, minus 4x derivative minus 4, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. With respect to x means we are taking the with respect to x means we consider the y in terms as the constants. That is, the value of x is equals to 1. Okay, x is equals to 1. Now coming to fy equation. This is 0, derivative 0, minus 4y, 0, 0 plus 8, 8y derivative plus 8 equals to 0, 0. That is the value of y is equals to 2 here, and doing that fz is equal to 0. Fz means this is 0, this is 0, z square derivative 2z, this is 0, this is 0, 2z derivative 2. 2z derivative 2 is equals to 0. That is the value of z is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the answer is 1, 2, minus 1, and that is the second option. Very easy. Just to simply taking the partial derivatives with respect to x, y, z, and then finding the values of the x, y, z to get the new origin. That's all. Next question, sum number 27. If the orthocenter, circumcenter of a triangle are minus 3, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5 respectively, then the centroid of the triangle is equals to. So given here, orthocenter and circumcenter of the triangle. This is orthocenter, this is circumcenter. These 2 points are given. We want the centroid value. Okay, that is the given question. So first I take that the centroid is equals to x, y, z. Now what is the relation between these 2 points? We have one formula, very important formula. 3g is equal to 2s plus 4. This is the relation between the centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter. Now replacing the values here, 3 of x, y, z is equals to 2s, 2 of 6, 2, 5 plus orthocenter, o is equal to minus 3, 5, 2. Okay, that is 3 of x, y, z is equals to, so this is 12 minus 3, that is 9. This is 4 plus 5, that is 9. This is 10 plus 2, that is 12. So taking 3 common here, then we get 3 of 3, 3, 4. Therefore, the centroid x, y, z is equal to 3, 3, 4. That's all. Very easy, and that is the first option. Okay. Next question, sum number 28. If A is equal to 2, 3, 0, B is equal to 2, 1, 2 are 2 points. If the points P, Q are on the line AP such that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB, then what is the distance PQ? Okay, so listen here, 2 points are given AB. Now this is the line segment joining the points A comma B, and also 2 points are given. What are the points P comma Q? P comma Q are 2 points on the line AB such that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That is, these are the 2 points which divides the line segment into 3 equal parts. These are the 3 equal parts. Now what are these 2 points? The points P comma Q dividing the total line segment into 3 equal parts. AP is equal to PQ is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Then these 2 points are nothing but the trisecting points, points of trisection, trisecting points. The trisecting points means the 2 points which divides the total line segment into 3 equal parts. Okay, so what is the PQ distance? We want this distance value. Further, first of all, we have to find the coordinates of these points. Okay, what are the P points here? What are the coordinates of P here? So P is the point that divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2, and Q is the point that divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so this is 2 comma 3 comma 0. This is 2 comma 1 comma 2. So how to find the P coordinates here? Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Just we take the ratio first 1:2. That is 1 into 2 mx2, 1 into 2 plus mx2 plus nx1, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2, that is 2 plus 4 by p plus q is equal to 3. Okay, and the second coordinates my2, 1 into 1, 1 plus ny1, 2 into 3, 6 by 3, and the third coordinates mz2, 2 plus nz1, 0 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of P is equal to 2 comma 7 by 3 comma 2 by 3. This is the point P. And what are the coordinates of the Q here? Q means this is the point dividing the line segment in the ratio 2:1. mx2, 4 plus nx1, 1 into 2, 4 plus 2 by 3. And my2, 2 into 1, 2 plus ny1, 1 into 3, that is 3 by 3. And mz2, 2 into 2, 4 plus nz1, 0 by 3. So this is equals to 2 comma 5 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Okay, this is the Q point. Now we want the PQ distance. What is the distance here? Square root of 2 minus 2 whole square, 0, 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3 whole square, that is 2 by 3 whole square, 2 by 3 whole square, and the next value 2 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 3 whole square, that is 2 by 3 whole square. Therefore, the answer is square root of 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9, that is equals to square root of 8 by 9. That's all, and that is the third option. Just simply finding the trisecting points and finding the distance between those points to get the required answer. That is the procedure. Okay, listen, the next question, sum number 29. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. One right angle triangle is given here and the angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And also given that the coordinates of the 3 points A is equal to 2, 5, 1, B is equal to 1, 4, minus 3. C is equal to minus 2, 7, minus 3. Okay. And also given PSR are the orthocenter, circumcenter and circumradius of the triangle ABC. Then what is the value of the R plus PY? So given that P is the orthocenter. Orthocenter means since it is a right angle triangle, the point P itself becomes the orthocenter. That is, here P is equal to 1, 4, minus 3. Right angle triangle. What is the orthocenter? Point of intersection of the perpendicular line. So this is the orthocenter. And also given S is the circumcenter. And in a right angle triangle, circumcenter is nothing but the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay. Circumcenter is nothing but the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Now what are the coordinates here? x1 plus x2 by 2. The first value 0. y1 plus y2 by 2. Next value 6. z1 plus z2 by 2. Next value is equals to minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 3, minus 2 by 2. So this is the circumcenter, this is the orthocenter. And also given that R is the circumradius. R is the circumradius means that is nothing but the distance between these 2 points. Distance from S to any vertex. Okay, now what is this value now? R is equals to 2 minus 0 whole square, 4 plus 5 minus 6 whole square, 1 plus 1 whole square, that is root 9 is equal to 3. So here the radius is equal to, circumradius is equal to 3. Now what is the given question? We want the value of R plus PY. Okay, we want this value. So here we get that R is equal to 3 and py, y coordinate in the p point, that is 4. Therefore the answer is equal to 7, and that is the first option. That's all. This is the answer. Always remember that these are very easy questions and very important models. In a right angle triangle, orthocenter is nothing but the point of intersection of the perpendicular lines, and circumcenter is nothing but the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, these are the most important points. Okay, that's all.